Hi friends, welcome to YouTube channel HFB Pin Codes. Today we are in Mysore. Famous masala dosa is started 1938. Now is 86 year running. My HFB Pin Code YouTube channel, new concept in YouTube channel. You just click your city postal pin code. Now you click 570010. This video, Masala Dosa 86 year famous in Mysore video, you get it. This is my new concept in YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe my channel. Now it. Today is a famous Masala Dosa Mysore. It is very famous and very famous. Just subscribe, don't skip the video, watch the full video. We are showing how to go to this hotel, the famous 86 year, by video on road. We are showing with the landmarks. In Mysore, film shootings, when it comes film stars, hero, heroines, they come the shooting, they never miss this masala dosa. It is at a breakfast and evening, and it's very never miss it. And one most you know more information, Punit Rajkumar sir also is the favorite hotel this masala dosa. It is when you come after the shooting, it is going to take a evening. This is a masala dosa is this hotel. And one more thing, it is a post politician leaders, national leaders, or it is also this hotel's the favorite masala dosa. Subscribe my channel, HFB Pin Code YouTube channel. Famous masala dosa, Mysore 1938. The customer standing the queue. It is here for a waiting. This is the hotels giving the, when a customer comes giving the hottest, and then will they take a order giving the dosa. It is the wooden stove right now also from 1938 to till today also using the wooden stove. This for a dosa. It is a stylish. It is 1938 to today also it's a wooden dosa. It is very famous and very tastefully. It is rocking star Yash and Darshan challenging star. It's a own city in Mysore. The half of the kilometer, that is area name is Itkegodu, is the teenager customer this hotel challenging star Darshan, rocking star Yash, and one more sandalwood comedy artist Chikana. He also local from his childhood is eating this masala dosa in this hotel. All film stars, it's very likely and very tastefully. After the shooting, evening comes, he definitely coming to eat a dosa here. It is very famous. And politicians, Karnataka, all chief ministers, all MLAs, all national leaders, when you come to Mysore, never miss. This is softy and delicious masala dosa. This recipe cannot get anywhere in India. This is the one and only this hotel is giving this recipe. It is from 1938. Now it is 2024 also. That is the same taste and same delicious. And customers, they're waiting. It is when you are waiting, that is the taste will be fabulous is there. Never must. When you come to Mysore, anywhere to watching Dasera and watching the tourism, anything else, comes definitely tourism, and it is I know the NRI customers, the foreigners also is coming and eating this dosa and is wait and patienceable, giving the order. When you giving the order, then we'll make the dosa in this hotel. This hotel is started a small hotel, a very small hotel, and it started from 1938. This hotel was near only one or two, three shops after only is making for a family persons for the biggest place in this year. This hotel is giving very nice taste and very hottest and very tastefully, and this is customers waiting. This is the family. When it comes to space, is very biggest space. That is a small hotel 1938. Now it is make a new for a customers for a waiting. That's why it is making the new this hotel, and very tastefully and very delicious. This, when you come to Mysore, you also taste it, you also enjoy it. Hottest masala dosa, and very delicious and very tastefully. And one more recipe, as you know, it is also idli also is there. You also taste it. This is the very hottest and very taking the order and give it for you. Enjoy it and never miss this special recipe. This hotel only masala dosa. Already you know the superstar Rajnikant sir. Every film is having in Mysore shooting. Never miss the shooting in Mysore, every film. And never missing this hotel masala dosa after the shooting finished is evening. It is a favorite masala dosa. Rajnikant sir, never missing. It is a favorite dish. Rajnikant sir, this hotel masala dosa. Sandalwood star Dr. Rajkumar and Vishnuvardhan sir also is the very favorite hotel, this masala dosa. He also very most like and rebel star Rambrish, when he comes staying in Sandesh Hotel, never miss the breakfast masala dosa and idli and this hotel, and is very nearest to Sandesh Hotel. In this hotel nearest, this never missing the breakfast rebel star Amrish sir and Shatrughna sir and Dharmender sir, Amitabh Bachchan. When it comes in shooting to Mysore, the almost heroines, you know, the Bollywood heroine Madhuri Dixit is a favorite dish in masala dosa, and Sridevi. These are the favorite dishes for all stars. Now you are showing the route from Mysore Palace to how to go to the hotel. This is the Mysore Palace. We are going to the famous masala dosa, 86 year in Mysore. We have started the journey right now. The Mysore Palace, you're going to the straight, you take it is coming 6-gate circle. 6-gate circle in Mysore. It take a immediate left in 6-gate circle. It is to take a left. It is going on. We are going to hotel. Take a left immediately. The left side, we are going to destination of the Mysore masala dosa famous 86 year. It is in right side is a Lido Theatre, left side is a Woodlands Theatre. You're going to strike, take a right side. One more is landmark. It is a central mall is there. The front of the opposite of the church is there. We take an immediate right. Don't go this right. You take a right. This lorry is going to the right side. You also follow this right side. We reach the destination of hotel. It is we are reaching. This is the KSRTC bus stand and is very nearest and very walkable. When you come to the Mysore, you go the walkable distance to this hotel. It is the Giriya's showroom. It is a forward. You take a left side having the church is there. You take a immediate left. This church is there. This is the landmark, the church. You take a immediate left side. We go reach the destination. The one more landmark it is a one central mall, famous mall in Mysore, in this PVR also screening. You take a left side, we reach the destination to hotel, and these hotels, when it comes former Chief Minister Yediyurappa ji, I know present Chief Minister Siddaramaiah ji, this childhood, customer, this hotel from a college days, the famous masala dosa in Mysore, never can get this recipe. This recipe gets this hotel only. This hotel, it is the landmark Sandesh Prince Hotel. All film stars staying when I come to shooting. This is the Sandesh Hotel Prince. Is the landmark, and the next we connected to the Nazarbad Circle. It is coming the circle. You take a immediate left by vehicle. Two routes is there. We take a immediate left to. You take a immediate left. It is the landmark we are showing. Immediate take a left. We are reaching connected to the Zoo Road, and we are. This circles comes Nazarbad Police Station. Circle this you take a right immediately. We reach the destination, the Nazarbad police station. Circle this one, you take a immediate right, you go to the right. We reach now the destination, that hotel. This is, we are taking this the one way. That way come walkable also, the shortcut road. This way is the vehicle, those are vehicle, you must, this is, we are reaching this. The customers, they're waiting. This is started in 1930, the smallest hotel. And one more hotel is making the family restaurant also, is the very biggest space is in there. This is very smallest hotel and started in 1938. And one is 2 or 3 shops will get after this hotel. We get this one shop, and immediately this hotels also, as a family, it is having the big space hotel. This is making a customers for a huge customer. This is a queue standing. That's why he is making the new space for a hotel. And the customers for this is Vinayaka Mailari Hotel in Nazarbad, very famous from 1938. This is second route, Indian Bank, Karnataka Bank Circle. It is the walkable distance, the one way right now, it is one way. You go to the straight, walkable distance, very short distance. This is one way only. It is one way. One side is, this is we are reaching the second route, Vinayaka Mailari Hotel from 1938, from 86 years, the same test. This is the hotel. The Vinayaka Mailari Hotel, 1938 is started. Now it is Mailari is standing of the queue. These are the two. The small hotel also is the same owner, and the biggest hotel of the same owner. It is the family. Those having the crowd is there. They are shifted. It is very tastefully and very delicious. When you come to Mysore, don't miss it. Mailari Hotel in Mysore. Masala dosa is very famous and very delicious, and idli also you taste it and very delicious and very tastefully. Rocking star S. Punit Rajkumar. Kindly subscribe HOB Pin Code YouTube channel.